in Excel. This is our first Excel tutorial in our YouTube channel Martina. This is very important and very useful Excel formulas that we will be using in our today's lecture. These formulas are random between sum formula, sum if formula, max formula, minimum formula, and if formula. Okay, so what we are doing here, it is little bit interesting thing, and we will be learning a lot of things here. And actually, so what we are going to do, see here, this table is showing subject versus student's name. So there are 10 students here: Arun, Anoop, Akash, Santosh, Srijit, Rahul, Basha, Srihari, Anida, Beena. Okay, and there are subjects: Maths, Finance, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Hindi. Okay, so what we will be doing here, we will be allocating some marks to these students. So that for that we will be using one formula is equal to rank between. Okay, see this formula we will be using, and so our bottom level should be 25 and our top level should be 100. So we are giving bottom as 25 and the top as 100, and we are closing the bracket and we are applying the formula. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to allocate each cells, that each cell is nothing but the marks which is allocating to each student for a specific subject. So I am giving these marks to all those students in mathematics, and I am giving these marks to each cell. So these are the numbers which is nothing but the marks of each students in each subject. Okay, so this is very interesting formula that we can use for different cases. Okay, for different cases that we can use this formula. And okay, so we have given the random numbers to these cells. Okay, and I am this just removing this formula from each cell. Okay, so I need to know the total mark. So here I just left out uh, cells that I am giving different formula, that is 25 comma 100. Okay, so I am dragging from the top to the bottom, so I am getting that amount. So ignoring the formula, just applying the values. So I am getting these numbers. These numbers is nothing but the mark allocating to each student for a specific subject. So the total marks in mathematics for various students is nothing but we have applied the sum formula, sum, and I am applying to each cell. So I am getting 561. So I am dragging to here, so I am getting these numbers. These numbers is nothing but the sum of all students marks in mathematics. So here I have done this much. So entire my workings I have taken two formulas, random between and sum formulas. So what is this table means? So what we are going to do here, this is also a little bit very interesting thing that I am doing here. I need to prepare the progress card for each of the students. That is, firstly I am going to prepare the progress card for Arun. So I need to know for which subject Arun has failed, for which subject Arun has passed. So I need to know which of the subject in which Arun has passed and which of the subject in which Arun has failed. So here I am using the formulas is equal to if formula. If formula logical test, I will be using this one, which is greater than 40. So if it is greater than 40, then see Arun mark which is greater than 40, then he has passed in the subject. If it is less than 40, then he has failed in that subject. This is my motive. So I am giving this formula here. Okay, so if it is greater than 40, then he has passed. Okay, and if it is less than 40, then he has failed. Okay, so I am closing this bracket. I am giving. So the first shell, this shell in which Arun got 52 mark in mathematics, that means if it is more than 40, then it should be passed. So here we can see that the 52 should be 52 is greater than 40, so he has passed. So what I need to do, I will be dragging from here to here, so that I will be come to know for which of the subject in which Arun has passed and which of the subject in which Arun has failed. Arun has passed in physics and mathematics, but he has failed in chemistry, biology, Hindi. This information we got. So I need to know all the progress card details of all those students. That means I need to prepare the progress card for each of the students. That means 10 students progress card here we will get. So that means Arun has okay, this much information we got from our workings. That means there are 10 students and there are some subjects and the marks they got in the specific subject that we have, and we have the total mark of we need to find the total mark of each students. For this I am applying here the total mark of each students. I am giving this as total. Total I'm giving. Okay, total, see actually I'm giving I need to find the total mark of each student. So what I will do here, I'm not entering manually, I'm applying one shortcut in the Excel. That one shortcut is there. That shortcut is Alt plus. So if I am applying Alt plus, so and I am dragging from here to here, then this is the total mark of total mark of Arun, that is 237. That means the total mark of Arun is 237 out of 500. And I need to find the total mark of each student. So what I will do, I will drag from the top to the bottom. So I will be getting this much I will be getting this much mark. So I need to find who is the topper of this class, and I need to find who is the loser of this class. That is, who is the topper of the class. So how I can find who is the topper of the class? So the topper of the class, I will be applying one formula here, is equal to maximum of all these numbers. So 417 is the maximum of the numbers. So who is the topper of the class? Srihari is the topper of the class. So Srihari is the topper of the class. So who got the lesser mark? That also we need to find. So what formula we will be applying is equal to minimum formula we will be applying. So from here to here we will drag. So 237 is the minimum mark. So he got the lesser number. He got the lesser mark. So he got the lesser mark. So and see if I am getting this 237 here this is the minimum mark. So this is the minimum mark. So 417, this is the maximum mark. This is the maximum mark. And I will be applying another formula here. We will be discussing about some other situation here. So 237 is the minimum mark and 417 is the maximum mark. I need to know who is the person among these all members in which he got 417. So I will be applying one formula is equal to Vlookup. So Vlookup here, this is the one, this is the amount, this is the mark, and so here okay, so for applying Vlookup I need to copy this entire thing. So copy this entire thing and I will be pasting here, paste a special value, and what I will do, I will is equal to Vlookup, and this is my lookup value, and this is my table array. Okay, and so this is my table array. So we will be locking these cells because we don't want to move such area. So we'll be looking, and this is the second column, and here it is 0. So Arun got 237, and so Srihari got the topper. Srihari is the topper of the class. So I'll touch border. So Srihari is the topper of the class. So this is all. So this is our first Excel tutorial, and we will be discussing a lot of tutorials, lot of discussion will be there in our going forward classes. So stay with me, and we will be continuing our discussion in Excel only, and we will be discussing a lot of other finance, mathematics things. Okay, bye.